सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। Continue from the Abhyasah 214. यतोदाहरणं प्रयोगे परिवर्तनं कुरुता. We are seeing karmani lang. Lang karmani. We will read these sentences. Ramaji can start.
Third sentence. पुत्रः जनकस्य परिचयम् अजानात्. पुत्रेण जनकस्य परिचयः अज्ञायत. परिचयः पुल्लिङ्ग शरणजी. परिचयः
अज्ञायत.
गुरुः शिष्यान् आदिशत्. गुरुणा शिष्याः आदिश्यन्त.
Yes.
शिक्षिका छात्रम् अपाठयत्. शिक्षिकया छात्रः अपाठयत. देवाः फला. Shall I continue, Sharanji?
Yeah, please do.
देवाः फलानि न अखादन्. देवैः फलानि न अखाद्यन्त. छात्रः परीक्षापुस्तिकायाम् अलिखत्. छात्रेण परीक्षापुस्तिकाया
परीक्षापुस्तिकायां is Saptami Vibhakti. It is not Dvitiya.
Oh, Saptami. Okay.
The Pratipadikam is Pariksha Pustika. Pustika is the Pustika. So Pariksha Pustikayam it's Adhikarana. Saptami Vibhakti. Chhatra writes in the Pariksha Pustika, in the exam book. He wrote. So Pariksha Pustikayam will remain Pariksha Pustikayam.
Pustikayam only. Okay. Yeah. So Chatrena Pariksha Pustikayam alikhyata. So it is Bhave Prayoga. Sharanji?
Yes, Chatrehi alikhyata Bhave Prayoga. Na vidyate. Vidyate ataha na adhigitam. Even dhatu is sakarmaka dhatu. Karana adhigatatvat. It is Bhave Prayoga. So it is Bhave Prayoga. So we have a choice in sakarmaka dhatu. This Vakya can be made in Kattari, Karmani, Bhavi. 3 possibilities are there. Asakam Karatu. Here it is Bhavi Prayoga. Okay. You can do, I think, since we are starting the class, it's Karmani, you can just can say that we learn from all the forms. Like Apashyat is there. So Adrishyata, Adrishyeta, Adrishyanta, you can decline like that. So that be familiar. Karmani form. Okay. The next sentence you can do, Ramaji. Continue.
राजीवः चलचित्रम् अपश्यत्. राजीवेन चलचित्रम् अदृश्यत.
Adrishyata,
अदृश्यन्त.
then Madhyama Purusha.
अदृश्यताः अदृश्यताः अदृश्येताम् अदृश्यत्वम्. Then
Adrishye,
दृश्ये अदृश्यावहि अदृश्यामहि महि.
take a snapshot of this slide. Adrishyata, Adrishya. We are doing Karmanila, second one. Karmani lataha, ting pratyaha, that is latlakara. Then the below one. Yata yetam yanta, yataha yetam yatvam. Ye yamagi yamagi. You can chant once, all of you. Yata yetam yanta.
यथा
एतां
यन्त
यथाह एथां यध्वम्
यथाह एतां यध्वम्
ये यावहि यामहि
ये यावहि यामहि.
Okay. This is yata yetam yanta. Okay. For 1416 yanta. For other gana it will be yata. You will see that in the output comes. Now, continue. The next one. Ganesh ji, Ben. The next sentence. Sentence number 9.
Number 9. Yuvati Shatikam Adharat. So Yuvataya Shatika Adharyata.
Yuvatya, not Yuvataya. Okay, Yuvati is Ikara.
Sorry, Yuvatya Shatika Adharyata. So
What is it? Other?
Adharyata.
Dhatu is Dhr Dhatu. Dhr.
Dhr.
What will happen to Dhr?
That becomes Dha. So Adharyata.
No. It will become Da. Dhr Dhatu. Driyate. Driyate, Driyante in Latlakara. In Karmani it will be Adriyata, Adriyata, Adriyanta. Right?
Right, Adriyata.
Dhr.
So, Adriyata, Adriyetam, Adriyanta.
Rikaranta Dhatu. Rikaranta Dhatu in Karmani plus Yak plus Ta. What will happen to the Ruda? Ru will be replaced by, you can see the form here, 3x. Ru plus Yak plus Te. Yak plus Te. Karmani let form will be Driyate.
Driyate.
In Lang, Hattakma will come and there will be Ta. Adriyata.
Right.
Now, Adriyata, then what are the forms?
Adriyata, Adriyetam, Adriyanta, Adriyathaha, Adriyetam, Adriyedvam, Adriye, Adriyavahi, Adriyamahi.
Continue. So therefore,
Number 10. Lekakaha Sorry,
Here, number 9 will be Yuvatya Shatika Adriyata.
Adriyat. Then Lekakaha Lekhan Acharayat
Arachayat.
Arachayat. So Lekakena Lekaha Acharyanta is what I thought it is. Acharyanta.
Acharayanta. No, Dhatu is Achar. Achar Dhatu.
Char.
You are juxtaposing the Varna of the Dhatu. Dhatu is Rach, not Char. Dhatu is Rach Dhatu.
Rach Dhatu.
So Arachyata. Arachyata, right?
So it becomes Arachyanta, is Lekha.
Yeah, Arachyata, Arachyata, Arachyanta.
Arachyanta.
Arachyataha, Arachyata.
Arachyataha, Arachyetam, Arachadvam, Arachye, Arachavahi, Arachyamahi. Then Kavihi, Kavitam, Arachat. So this is same as earlier, but here it is Kavina, Kavita, Acharayat.
Not Achar again. Arachyata.
Arachya, sorry. Arachyat.
Arachyata. Arachyata.
Arachyat.
Arachyata, not Arachyata.
Arachyata.
This is because it is lung and the Atmanipadi suffix will be added. The lung, therefore Atmanipadi suffix the. If it is, it will be
Arachyata.
then.
Then Dhanikaha, Dhanam, Adatat, Dadat. So Dhanikena, Dhanam, Adiyata.
Yes. Adiyata.
Adiyata, Adiyetam, Adiyanta, Adiyathaha, Adiyetham, Adiyadvam, Adiye, Adiyavahi, Adiyamahi,
Adiye, Adiyavahi,
Adiyamahi.
Okay. Continue.
Then Maduna, Madhu, Ashuyan. So
Not Madhuna.
Madhupaha becomes Madhupabihi. Then Madhu Shabda, we are not done, I think. Madhuna.
Madhupaha. Okay. See the sentence. Madhupaha.
Madhupabihi.
No. Madhupabihi. Madhupaha is Bhuvachan. Madhupaha Achushan. What will the Pratipadikam of Madhupaha? Madhupaha is what?
Madhupa. Sorry.
Madhupaha, what Vachanam? Bhuvachanam, right?
Bahuvachanam.
Therefore, Pratipadikam is Madhupa. Madhupa is the Pratipadikam. Then
Madhupa.
Tritiya Vibhakti Bhagavachanam will be like Ramashabda.
Madhupaihi.
Not Madhupadigi, it's not Ramashabda, not Akaranta. You can take
Right.
Anta, but no, not Akaranta. You can take Ramashabda, that would be better.
Right.
Madhum Pibati, iti Madhupaha. Madhum,
Right. I thought it's Madhupa, Strilinga.
Madhupa may be a female honeybee, but doesn't take, actually male honeybee only takes honeybee, collects honey. Yeah, if you take Madhupa Pratipadikam, then Madhupa Bihi.
Right. I took it as like Rama Shabda. So Madhupabihi.
It is, yeah. It is Ramashabda. Madhupaha would be, even meaning wise also, that would be better. It is only
Madhupaihi.
Madhupaihi.
Then Madhu becomes Madhuna.
Madhuna. Why Madhuna? Because it is karma. Madhu is karma.
Karma. So
Karmani prayaga karma is
it will be
Adhirita.
Madhu or Madhu?
No. Madhu will be Madhu only.
Madhu.
Karantaha Napumsakalingaha Madhu Shabda.
Madhu Shabda.
You can check the Shabda Manjari. I think we have done this Shabda, all these Shabdas before. This Ajan Napumsakalinga.
Napumsakalinga.
We are not done?
We don't, no. Earlier also you mentioned I'll teach you next class.
Oh, Madhuni, Madhuni. Okay. And let me open the Shabda Manjari. This you can do that. Madhu Ukaranta. This Napumsakalinga Shabda. Just a minute. The Shabdas also. Shabda is, we are not chanting because we don't have time to do that. But we have seen a lot of Shabdas. You can go to the Shabda Manjari. Any Shabdas which we are not seen, you can let me know. You can see that in one class. Halanta Shabda, the derivation and all we have seen. Many Shabdas we have covered, in fact, in the Shabda Manjari. You can derive it. All the Halanta Shabda, what we have seen, they apply like rules. The Shabdas are, now you can derive it. Derive it for you.
Page 29, Sharanji.
Shabda Manjari, okay, Shabda number?
Shabda number 28.
Sorry, it must be, yeah. You can see Madhu. Ukarantaha, okay, let us chat this Shabda. You can see the difference between Madhu, which is Ukaranta Shabda, and the following Shabda, which is Guru. Guru here means heavy, not teacher. Guru. So Madhu, Guru, these two Shabdas you can do. Ukarantaha, Napumsakalingaha, Madhu Shabdaha.
Ukarantah Napumsakalingah Madhu Shabdah
Madhuni, Madhuni.
Madhuni
Madhuni.
Madhuni, Madhuni.
Madhuni.
In this Ajanta Napumsakalinga Shabda, you can note Madhu will remain. Pratama Vibhakti, Dvitiya Vibhakti is same. So Pratama Vibhakti, Ekavachanam Madhu, and Dvivachanam Madhuni, that last letter becomes E is added, Madhuni. Then Bhagavachanam, the penultimate will become Dirgha, Madhu, and the last letter will be Rasva, Ni, Madhuni, Madhuni, Madhuni. This is the only change. You can remember this. This is applicable for all the Jayanta Shabda. Any Shabda you take, you will see this. Then from Tritya onwards, it will be simple. Madhuna, Madhubhyam, Madhubhihi.
Madhuna.
Madhubhihi.
Madhune, Madhubhyam, Madhubhyaha.
Madhune.
Madhubhyah.
Madhunaha, Madhubhyam, Madhubhyaha.
Madhunah Madhubhyah.
Madhunaha, Madhunoho, Madhunam. You can note Madhunam, Dirgha.
Madhunaha.
Madhunoho
Madhunam.
Madhuni, Madhunoho, Madhushu.
Madhuni
Madhunoho.
Madhushu.
He Madho, He Madhu, He Madhuni, He Madhuni.
He
He
Madhu.
Madhu. He Madhu.
Madhuni, He Madhuni,
He Madhuni.
The same way, Ambu is water. Ambuni, Ambuni. Then Ashru is tears. Ashri, Ashru Purna Kulekshanam. Vishidantam Vidam Vakyam. Vacha Madhusudanaha. In Gita, we have seen Ashru is tears. Vastu, important word, Vastu. So Vastuni. Vastu is Napumsakalinga. Daru means good. Daruni will be like that. Here Daru the nakara will be what nakara? What nakara it will be?
Natvam.
Natvam will
More
happen.
than you.
Murdanya nakara, natvam will happen. That only we need to remember. Dharu, daru, dharuni, dharuni, murdanya nakara. Natvam will happen. Natvam, how does it? What is the nimitta for causing this natvam?
Refa.
Repa, very good. Only repa alone is a nimitta or any other possibility is there?
Shash, Murdanya Shakara.
Very good. Then
Then Ksha.
that is more than shakara already you told.
Yeah.
Repa more than shakara. Anything, any other letter in nimitta or causing the natvam. Very good. Repa means rikara also to be included. Remember. In the rule it is not there. In the sutra it is not there. Rashabhyam no naha samana pade. That is a sutra. Rasha is there. But ru also to be understood. Okay. That is why the next shabda, Dhatri shabda you can see. Dhatri is Rikaranta shabda. In Pullinga, Dhata, Dhataro, Dhatara. In Strilinga, Dhatri, Dhatriyo, Dhatra, like Nadi shabda. In Napumsakalinga you see Dhatra, Dhatrani, Natum happens. What is the limit for causing Natum here? Rikara. Remember. So, Murdanya Shikara and Rikara causes Natvam. Okay. But Daruni, when you say, does Repa precede immediately? Okay. Further, what are the conditions for Natvam to happen? You said Nimitta is Repa or Shakara or Rikara. What else? When does it happen?
Refa is followed by vowels.
No.
Kupwang.
No. Okay.
Kupwang. Either.
What nakara? It will be what? Okay, that part will come. What nakara? Give the complete.
Apadanta nakara.
That is important. You have to say apadanta nakara. Nakara should not be at the end of the padam. That is why Rama not Murdani nakara. Apadanta nakara immediately preceded by Repa, Rikara, Repa, Rikara or Murdani Shakara will undergo Natvam. Even when intervened by, now we can say, even when intervened by
Kupwang.
at letter, at is all the vowels, however, up to that. Then ku is kavarga letter. Pavarga letter, ku is pavarga letter. Then ang also, num also. At kupwang num, yava ye, even if this intervenes. Now, in this daru, what intervenes? What letter intervenes? Ukara. Ukara. No, yeah, at is there. Ukara, that is Ukara letter is there. Therefore, Ukara, U, the letter U, which is a part of at, therefore, Natvam will happen. Right? Similarly, the next one you can see, you can chant also. Why that Shabda is given? What is the difference between these two Shabda? There is no difference. Same. Only here it is showing the Natvam happening to that. Ukarantaha, Napumsakalingaha, Guru Shabdaha.
Ukarantaha, Napumsakalingaha, Guru
Shabdaha.
Guru, when we define Napumsakalinga, it means heavy. Wrong. Guru as a word, when it is Napumsakalinga, it means okay. This is one thing. When in Pullinga, it means teacher. Technically, also we have seen Guru. Not maybe in this class, but Ashtadhyayi class, we have seen what is Guru.
Lagu Guru.
Yes, what is that Guru? Technically, in the context.
Dirgha. Matra.
Dirgha.
Dirgham cha, right?
Yeah.
Sanyoge Guru, remember?
Yes.
Dirgham cha, there also it is considered to, there it is the word guru is used. There guru is technical term. Okay. Okay, anyway, we'll chant the Shabda now. Guru, Guruni, Guruni.
Guru,
Guru, Guruni, Guruni,
Guru, Guruni, Guruni.
Guru,
Guru,
Guruni,
Guruni,
Guruna, Gurubhyam, Gurubhihi.
Guruna, Gurubhyam,
Gurubhyam
Gurubhihi.
And from Chaturthi onwards, Guru Shabda, Pullinga declension, that also will be there, and Napumsakalinga. I mean, two forms are there. The other form of declension is same as the Pullinga. Gurave, Guroho, iti. Gurune, Gurave, Gurubhyam, Gurubhyaha.
Gurune,
Gurune,
Gurave,
Gurubhyam,
Gurubhyam,
Gurubhyaha.
Gurunaha, Guroho, Gurubhyam, Gurubhyaha.
Gurunaha, Guroho,
Gurubhyam,
Gurubhyam, Gurubhyaha.
Gurunaha, Guroho, Gurunoho, Guruvoho, Gurunam.
Gurunaha,
Gurunaha,
Guroho,
Gurunoho,
Gurunoho,
Guruvoho,
Guruvoho, Gurunam.
Guruni, Gurau, Gurunoho, Guruvoho, Gurushu.
Guruni,
Gurau,
Gurau,
Gurunoho,
Gurunoho, Guruvoho, Gurushu.
Gurushu.
The same way, Mridu, Pratu, Patu, Laku, all those Shabdas. Okay. Then Rikaranta is also you will see. Rikaranta, then Rikaranta. So Dhatru is the Pratipadikam. You have seen Dhatru. You remember the Pratyaya. The Pratyaya added is what Pratyaya?
Rich,
Did I teach you this here, this class? This Pratyaya.
no,
rich,
Didn't teach you the Trich Pratyaya, Trich added to Dhatu will denote Karta.
yeah.
I don't think so.
Okay, then you can leave this. Trich Pratyaya we will see later. After then we can see this. Okay, anyway, but Dhatru, you can remember this. Dhatru, when it is Napumsakalinga, the explanation will be Dhatru, Dhatrini, Dhatruni. Here also you can see Divachanam. Then E is Dirgha, that at the end. And in Bhagavachanam, Upada will be Dirgha, Dhatru, and the last letter will be E, Ni, that is Rasva. Then Chaturthi onwards, we'll have two forms. One form will be same as that of the Pullinga. Dhatra, Dhatre, Dhatu, Dhatu. It is easy. Okay. Coming back to the lesson. The next. So, Madhu. Madhu is Madhupaha, Madhu, Chushan. So, Madhu is Atma Vibhakti Ekavachana. Ditya Vibhakti Ekavachana. It is a karma. Now, when you are converting this into karmika yoga, Madhupaihi, then
Madhu remains Madhu.
Madhu, yes.
And then Ashuchyata.
Achushya, yeah.
Achushyata.
Yes, Achushyata. Achushyata, Achushyetam,
Achushyanta.
Achushyanta,
Then Ashuchyathaha. Ashuchetam. Ashuchadvam. Ashuche. Ashuchyavahi.
Achush, it is Chush. Achush, okay.
Achush, right, sorry. So Achushe. Achushavahi. Achushamahi.
Continue, the next one, 14th.
Satpurushaha Murkhan Anindhan. So here it is Pullinga, Bahuvachanam. Satpurushaihi Murkaha Anindhyantaha. Anindhyanta.
Anindyanta.
Anidyanta.
Anindyanta. Okay.
Then Kakaha Jalam
Okay. Oh, 1 minute. Here. This dhatu.
Ni Dhatu.
Dhatu is
Nind.
Nind is a dhatu.
Nind Dhatu.
Something related to what we just now saw. Now, what is the vowel here in the dhatu Nind?
E.
E. Okay. Now, Krishanji, what is that E? The technical name of E?
It's
In the context of just now what we saw.
Is it? It's Sanya
No. In the context what just we saw now. Who is the Vasantiji? What is the name of the vowel E? The dhatu Nind.
I don't remember now.
Okay, Parvati, we saw that it's very well connected to just now that we discussed the topic.
It.
Not it. The dhatu is Nind. Nind is the dhatu, so there is no it letter. Nind only will become Nindati, Nindataha, Nindanti.
Okay.
I've given a clue also. The name,
is Lagu.
it is Guru. Sanyoge Guru.
Oh.
See, that's why I said it's connected to the topic just now we discussed. I said, okay, don't worry, others, I will see that later. In the dhatu, that E is there, followed by the conjunct consonant. So when followed by conjunct consonant, the preceding letter, that is vowel, will get the sanya, Guru sanya. E is called Guru. Okay, anyway, this is aside discussion. So, Satpurushahi Murkaha Anindyanta. Okay, continue.
Kakaha Jalam Abhipat Apibat. So Kakena Jalam Apiyata.
Yes.
So Apiyata, Apiyetam, Apiyanta. Apiyathaha, Apiyetam,
Yes.
Apiyadvam. Apiye, Apiyavahi, Apiyamahi.
Yes. Next person, Krishnanji.
Shishuhu Gulikam Agilat. Shishuna Gulika Agilyata.
Gilati, Gilata means swallowing.
Okay. Agilyata.
Gilata. Okay.
Mata Putram Abodhyat. Abodayat. Matre Putraha.
Matre. What is Matre?
So Matra Tritiya. Matra Putraha Abodayata.
Dhatu is Abodayat. How can it be Abodayata?
Oh yeah, so Abudhyata. So no guna.
No. Bodh means to understand.
Oh, no.
Bodhayati is teaching, causing to understand. Dhatu is, what is a dhatu?
Oh, Bodhi.
Bodhi is a dhatu. Now what will be the karmani?
Oh, Bodhyata.
Okay,
Bodhyata.
Abodhyata. Okay.
Abodhyata.
Bodhi plus yak plus ta. Bodhi. What will happen to Bodhi? That E.
That becomes Lopa because of the Kit.
Because of Anit. Not kith. Aniti, you can please check the Sandhi chart.
Yeah.
When anit follows, why anit? Because yak is beginning with ya, adhatuka pratyaya. It is not a val, or it will not take itagama, yak. So ya is not a part.
The E disappears.
Therefore, no itagama will come. Even though the dhatu is set dhatu, but it no itagama. Why? Because yak ardha dhatu, baladi ardha dhatuka only will take itagama, right? So here it is not a val because it begins with ya. So no itagama will come. So therefore anit. When anit follows, then e is dropped, not because of kith. Okay. Nothing to do with kitvam. Kitvam, because of kitvam, what happens? Okay. Let me ask. Because of kitvam, what will happen? What happens? Kitvam. What is the kitvam?
Guna nisheda.
Angakarya is negated. Whatever may be the angakarya, whether it is guna or vriddhi, negated. That is kitvam. Okay. Not this nilopaha. Nilopaha because of anit. So therefore both become bodh. Bodhyata. Atagama abodhyata.
Bodhyata.
Abodhyata. Okay. Bodhayati, bodhayataha, bodhayanti. That is kartari. Let bodhayati. Bodhyate, bodhyate, bodhyante. It is karmani. Let abodhayate, abodhayatam, abodha, abodhayan. That is kartari lang. Abodhyata, abodhyatam, abodhyanta, karmani lang. Okay. Therefore, matra putraha abodhyata.
Abodhyata.
Okay, continue.
शिक्षकः दुष्टबालकान् अदण्डयत्. शिक्षकेन दुष्टबालकाः अदण्डयन्त.
Again, you are doing the same mistake. You are saying adandayata. Adandayata. Okay.
Adandatu, adandyatu, dandyata. So adandyanta.
Okay. Dushtabalaha adandyanta. Okay.
Adandyanta.
Not dandayanta. Okay. The dand. Dand. Dandi becomes dand. The same. Ilopaha. Okay. Continue.
शिशुः उपनेत्रम् अक्षिपत्. शिशुना उपनेत्रम् अक्षिप्यत.
Akshipyata. Okay.
पुरुषाः नदीम् अतरन्. पुरुषैः नदी तृधातु.
Dhatu. Tru. Dirga.
Something will happen. So tiryata.
Atiryata. Right?
Atiryata.
Through what happens to the Rukaranta Dhatu? You can see the Karmani, what we are having. Rukaranta Dhatu. Dirgharkara, Rukara. Rukara replaced by E. The very first Dhatu is self Dhatu. Ru plus Ek plus Te. Rukara will be replaced by E. Rut it dhatoho tiryate. Right? Remember now, this Sandhi is the chart. Keep it with you. Take a printout, keep it with you by your side. Therefore, the next one, Kameshwari, Karmani.
Yeah.
Okay. Upasarga yoga. Upasarga will be there. So remember, Upasarga, where you will add now in this?
After the upasarga, at or ot.
After adding antagma. Okay. After the long form, then you add upasarga. Okay.
Kartari, Krishikaha Sarpam Praharat. Karmani will be Krishikena Sarpaha Prahriyata. Hrudatu. Hriyata. Prahriyata. Guruhu Shishyam Upadishat. Guruna Shishyaha Upadishyata. Upadishyata. Okay.
Is
Dish
Dishta.
Dish Dhatu. Upa is Upasarga. So
Upa plus
at plus dish.
dish plus yat plus ta.
Yat plus ta.
Okay.
Mala Vastram Prakshalayat. Malaya Vastram Prakshalyata. Akshali is the dhatu. Pra is Upasarga. At agama will come. So pra plus a plus shali plus ya plus the in between shap and all will come. That shali to become. Okay. Then Rameshaha Pinjam.
Yeah.
Ramesh.
Continue.
Rameshaha Pinjam Pranudat. Rameshena Pinjaha Pranudyata. Pranudyata.
Pinjaha. I think Pinjaha means is cage. You can check that. I'm not sure. Pinjaha.
Is it switch, electric switch?
Oh, switch. Yeah. Pinjaha. Switch. Pranudat is Nudati.
Nudati.
It means Rameshaha Pinjam Nudat. Dhatu is Nud Dhatu. So, what is the meaning of Nud Dhatu? Nudati, Nudataha, Nudanti. Nudati, it is the sister. Nudati must be the sister. I'm also guessing. Why I know? If it is, I will become Nudati.
No, I don't hear you. What is that nud means? It's not clear.
Saying the meaning, I'm just saying Nudada must be belonging to
Tudadi Ganaji.
Nudadikana, sister Gana, I am saying.
Okay.
Form Nudati must be belonging to sister Gana. It means to push. We can take the meaning of push. So, Pinjaha Nudati, Nudata, it means it pushes the button. Switch. Can you hear me? Is my voice clear?
Now it's clear.
Sometimes
Earlier,
breaks. Yeah.
it was breaking.
Clear means
Go.
since the beginning.
Yeah.
Since beginning, is it breaking, my voice?
No, Sharan, could hear you. Only in
No, it was breaking in between, but we could make out.
Okay, let's continue.
Purushaha Kashtam Vyadarayat. Purushena Kashtam Vyadaryata. Vyadaryata.
Okay, what is the dhatu here?
Vyad plus a plus yata. No. Arya.
Anybody, what is dhatu?
Dru,
Yes,
Dru,
dhru dhatu.
V Upasarga.
Yes. Remember, where is this Vyadarayat comes? You have heard this word.
Gita, first chapter.
Very good, yes. Remember that in the Gita, that Nadaha, Venunadayan, Hridayani Vedharayat, Sagosho Datta Rashtranam, Hridayani Vedharayat, right? That we saw, Vedharayat. It is there, the very word Vedharayat is there in the Gita. Can you all hear my voice clear now?
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
It's clear.
The word Vyadharayati itself is there in Gita. Hridayani Vyadharayati, Sahosho Datta Rashtrana, Goshaha, that noise, that is the noise of the trumpet, the conches, Vyadharayati, Datta Rashtrana, Hridayani Vyadharayati, pierces the hearts of Dhartarashtras. Purushaha kashtam vyadarayat. It means kashta is wood.
So,
He
yeah.
log wood. So vyadarayat means he pierces or he breaks the wood. So dhatu is dhru dhatu. Dhru become dari. Okay, dhru becomes dari by adding nijanta. So V plus at plus dari plus yat plus ta. Okay. So you get gadarayat and karmani will be yadaryata. Dari will become dar. Yadaryata. Can you all follow?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, if my voice is not clear, please let me
No,
know.
it's audible now. It's better.
So Purushena Kashtam Vyadarayata. I think because of the fluctuation here. Okay, Purushena Kashtam Vyadarayata. Okay, now continue.
Balika Petikam Udagatayat.
Udagatayat. So here, 1 minute before you do. You have to watch the Kriya Padam. Udghatayat is different. Sorry, Udghatayati, Udaghatayat. Ud is Upasarga. Dhatu is Ghat, Ghati is a Dhatu. So Udghatayati, Udaghatayat. That Uda, if it is not a consonant, Ud, it is not Ud, it is Uda. Then understand it is Karmani. Sorry, it is Langlakara.
Langlakara.
Uda is so Attagama.
Attagama.
Yes. Because we do the mistake. Generally, we think it as the Udgata we read. It is not Udgata, Udagata, lung form. Okay, continue.
So Balikaya Petika Udagatyata. Putraha Janakam Anvagachat. Putrena Janakaha Anvagamyata. Here it is that Upasarga is Anu.
Anu plus
A plus.
yes.
So Yan Sandhi. Okay. Then Danikaha Asande Upavishat. Upavishat. Danikena Asande Upavishyata.
Upavishyata, you know.
Yeah, Upa plus A plus.
Oh, only 2 sentences are there. Can read.
Yeah. Brityaha Baram Udanayat. Brityena Baraha Udaniyata. Wood plus A plus Ni Dhatu. And then Grihini Deepan Prajvalayat. Grihinya Deepaha Prajvalyanta. So this is pra plus A plus Jwal. Huh?
Jwal, yeah.
Okay.
Jwal.
Or Ujjwal.
Jwalayati, Jwalayataha, Jwalayanti. Okay.
Okay.
Jwali Dhatu becomes Jwal plus Jwali plus Yat plus Anta. Pra plus At plus Jwali plus Yat plus Anta Prajwalyanta. Inya Deepaha Prajwalyanta. Next one, Praharat, Praharatam, Praharan, Ityadishu, Kartaryavakyeshu, Pra, Ut, Vi, Ityadayaha, Upasargaha, Santi. First, we know what Upasarga is. Upasarga is, what is Upasarga?
Like prefix we add in. Before that, it will give some different meaning also sometimes.
Yeah, I think I taught you Upasarga, right?
Separately, we didn't do in Lep Pratyaya. There we saw some Upasargas and all. Separate topic we didn't see. Then and there it is coming.
Okay, please remind me, Upasarga, one day we'll do it. Upasarga, that Pradigana, that Upasargas are there, some 20 Upasargas, which in a group of shabdas are there, a group of words, which in combination with the Kriya Padam get the Sanya Upasarga. Upasargena Dhaturtaha Anyatra Niyate. By the Upasarga, the meaning of the Dhatu is taken somewhere else. It means it can modify the meaning, simply modify the meaning, or it can change the meaning totally opposite. It will give totally opposite meaning. Or it can just intensify, intensify the meaning, intensify that action, just to show the intensified action. The Kriya Upasarga is also added. Or sometimes it doesn't do anything. The meaning remains same. So all the four things are possible with this Upasarga. So ataha atra kriyapada prayogaha katam iti vayam upasarga prakarane lang prakarane cha jnatavantaha eva. Yes, seen, yes, maybe discussed before. We are not discussed anyway. Tata upasarga prayoge kartari langi kriyapade sandhi bhavati tata karmani api bhavati. So sandhi will happen is this. Pra plus aharat praharat savarna dirgha sandhi. Karmani langi pra plus agriyata praharyata again savarna dirgha sandhi. Samyak patata hridatu praharyate karmani lat pra plus akhriyata karmani bhute. Pra plus akhriyata prahriyata karmani bhute. So it's getting some dhatu. Already we know to drive it. Nirdishyate upasarga dish dhatu. So nir plus dish plus te kartari lat nirdishyate. Karmani bhute will be nir plus atagama. Then dish plus ek plus ta nirdishyata iti. And Abhyasa 215. Todaharanam udeta. Okay. So Toda udeta. Complete as shown in the example. Oh, I think you have to write. Okay, with Upasarga you can tell the Karmani lung form of these words. Imagine. Samhriyate is there. Karmani will be Anakhriyata.
Makhriyata.
Similarly, Parikhriyate will be Pari Upasarga.
Pariyakhriyata.
Parikhriyata. So, yan sandhya. Then Vidaryate.
Vidaryate. Vyadaryata. No, Vyadriyata.
No, you're right. Why? V plus R only. Vidaryata only.
Through
Just only saw Vidaryata.
Vyadaryata. Okay.
V plus at plus Dari plus X plus that Vidaryata. Right?
Yeah. Vyadarayata.
Vidaryata.
Vyadaryata.
Next one.
And Nirakhriyata. Nirakhriyata. And Vikhriyate. So again Vyakhriyata.
Kriyata. Then
Would Kriyata. Kriyata. So Dakhriyata.
is it? Okay. Last. Yeah. Can you hear me?
Voice is not clear.
No, I didn't say anything, but I'm not able to hear you. Udahriyate is there. What is the
Upasarga. So Akhriyata, Udakhriyata.
how can you Udahriyata? If at all, if it is Ud Upasarga, Udahriyata it must be, right?
Yeah.
It must be Udahriyata.
Hriyata.
It's not, but it is not. Two Upasargas are there. Udahriyate, you see the word Udahriyate. Two Upasargas are there.
Uttadang.
Akhriyata. Yeah, Udakhriyata. Okay.
Ut plus Ang plus Khri plus Yak plus Te. Udahriyate. Now, Karmani Lang will be
Karmani will be Udahriyata. Karmani Lang will be Udahriyata.
Udahriyata. Okay. Continue.
And Vikriyata, Vyakriyata.
Continue.
Upakriyata, Upakriyata.
No, think and do. Don't forget the Atagama.
Upakriyata, Upakriyata. It will be Upakriyata. Yeah.
Then next one, Krishnaji, number 9.
Anukriyate. So
Anukriyate, not kriyate, kriyate.
Anukriyate. Anu plus Anvakriyata.
Anvakriyata, not kriyata. Kriyata.
Anvakriyata.
Yes.
Prakriyate. Pra upasarga.
Simple.
Prakriyate. Prakriyata.
Prakriyata. Okay.
Nirakriyate. So nir upasarga. So nir plus akriyata. Nir plus a plus akriyata. Nir plus a plus akriyata.
Yes. Nir plus ang plus akriyata.
Akriyata. Akriyata.
Okay.
Samsri kriyate.
Sanskriyate, not samsi.
Sorry, Sanskriyate. Sam upasarga. Akriyata. There's one more. Sam plus akriyata.
Samakriyata.
What one? What G?
Samakriyata. Sam plus akriyata, samakriyata.
Okay, Samakriyata. Okay.
Chamyatanji, that sakara, what happens? That sakara, it comes or goes?
Sakara is because of some. Because of some, it becomes sums.
Oh.
Some is the upasarga. Okay.
Yeah, some is the upasarga. That sakara, how it comes, I don't understand. Sandhi, I don't remember that.
That we'll see that later. I mean,
Okay.
seen that or not. Some one more rule is that. Yeah. Next one, 13th.
Upakriyata. So
Kriyate. The form is
Upakriyate. So lung form is upa plus akriyata.
Upakriyata.
Upakriyata. Yeah, upakriyata.
Okay.
Vyavastapyate. Vyavastapyate. V plus A plus stapayate. So Vyavastapyata.
Think and answer. V, what are the upasargas?
V plus A
How can V plus A?
can't be.
V plus A is Vya. Then Ba, from where the word Ba has come.
V plus
Anu.
our.
V plus our.
Ava.
V plus our plus at plus star plus stop. Stop Yak plus stop. So it will be
V plus Vyavasta.
Yavastapyata form will be.
Vyavastapyata. Okay.
Next one.
Yava. Parakriyate. Para plus parakriyata.
Two dhatus are there. And you can take one, I'm sorry, two, not dhatus, sorry. Upasarga. You can take one, sorry, one upasarga only, not two. Para.
Para.
Para plus akriyata, para kriyata. Now, next one. 216. Next person. Oh, I missed the Dhanashri in between. I think I missed the
Yes, Shanti.
Dhanashri. Abhyasa 216. Adonadrishtani Vartamana Bhutakali. With the Sadha, you can write now. Dhanashri can do.
So nirakriyate becomes nirakriyata, and therefore upakriyate becomes upakriyata.
Apa, it is apa.
Sorry, apakriyata. Then samskriyate becomes samaskriyata. Samaskriyata.
Not sama. Sam is Upasarga. Samakriyata only.
No,
Yeah, not Sakara. Sakara,
sakara doesn't come in. Okay, samakriyata.
Sakara comes because of some other rule. It becomes some is Upasarga. Some plus kri, that is kru plus te, samskriyate. Even the word Sanskritam also is like that word. Some is Upasarga. Some plus kru plus tha pratyaya. Samskritam you get. That we will see.
So sam plus a, so samakriyata.
Samakriyata. Yes.
Then vikriyate becomes vyakriyata.
Good. Okay.
Then prakrishyate becomes prakrishyata.
Yes.
Then pranamyate, I don't know whether na become na. So pranamyata. Pranamyata.
You have to tell me whether what will happen to Nakara. Will it be Muddai Nakara or Danti Nakara?
I think it becomes dantya
Really?
because repa is there.
Repa is there, therefore it becomes Dantya. Repa is there, then it becomes.
Repa is there before pa, so it is. Or repa is there, so therefore it remains at nakara.
Depends what Nakara.
But a comes in.
No, what it means as what Nakara. Now, what is the connection? Repa is there, therefore it will become, it will remain as Nakara.
Because attagama comes in.
Uh-huh.
Attagama comes in, but I think it has no effect then.
No. It is okay.
Pra plus a plus namyate. Namyata.
Okay. Pranamyate. So pranamyata it will be, right?
Right.
So
Murdanya remains as murdanya.
Murdanya remains as Murdanya.
Murdanya. Pranamyata.
Pranamyata. Okay.
Then upastapyate becomes upastapyata. Yeah, upastapyata only.
Yes.
Then sancharyate. Sorry. Sancharyate. So sancharyate becomes samacharyata.
Good. Yes.
Sama. Then prakampyate. Prakampyate becomes
Prakampyate.
prakampyate. Then attagama. Then prakampyata.
Okay. Good.
Then parikriyate becomes paryakriyate. Parya. Then akara. So paryakriyate or
No, not parya. Pari plus at plus kru plus yak plus ta. Paryakriyata.
okay.
You want me to write?
Not parya, but parya.
How will become parya? Pari upasarga
Plus a.
plus atagama, and there is this lung form is akriyata. Pari plus akriyata.
Paryakriyata.
Paryakriyata. Why paryakriyata? Not required. There is no parya. There is no a. Where is a comes? It is parya only.
Right. Okay. It doesn't become. No dhirga comes in there.
No dirgha in between. Why dirgha?
Paryakriyata.
Paryakriyata. Dhatu begins with ach. Then at agama will come. But all these dhatus begin with consonants only. So therefore only at agama.
Right.
The last one.
Uda hriyate. Here ud plus a plus hriyate. I think it remains uda hriyata only.
Here ud plus ang plus hr plus yak plus te, udahriyate. So the upasargas are ud and ang, two upasargas.
Okay.
Ud plus ang plus, then at plus, hr plus, yak plus ta. You get udahriyata.
Right. Dirgha
One
remains
minute.
as dirgha, even though the three dirghas, so it's udakhriyata.
Because the upasargas are ang upasarga. So two upasargas are there, ud plus ang. And one more atagama comes to the dhatu. So sa will remain a only. So ud plus become uda. Udakhri yata.
Udakhriyata.
Type it to understand. You want me to type?
That ang is another upasarga, Saranji.
Yes, yes.
Ang.
Ang is another upasarga. Yes.
You see a couple of examples that will help.
Yes, Saranji.
This Upasarga topic we will see.
Ang is
better.
upasarga. It's not a. Upasarga is not a big topic. Okay, these are the upasarga. So that is the only upasarga topic. We can see it there. It's not a problem. But nothing by that knowledge, upasarga knowledge, new knowledge, it's not, nothing is going to happen. The same thing. Here only addition. What are the upasargas are there? Ud plus ang plus, then at plus, hri plus, yak plus tha. You get the form. Udakhriyata. Okay. Okay. Then. The next one. Abhyasa 217. Adho nirishtanam kartari vartamana kalika vakyani kartari karmani cha bhuta kale parivartayata. Next person can do.
Yeah, it's me. Yeah. Balaha Chitram Pradarshayati. That is Latlakara. So Balaha Chitram Pradarsyat.
Adarshayat.
Pradarshayat. That is Kartari Bhukte.
Okay, listen here. That is not pradarshayat. Is there any word pradarshayat possible?
No. Yeah.
Because
Yeah.
Because
Lang
when
Lakara.
you say pradarshayat, when you say pradarshayat, what is the dhatu?
Drudha. Darsh Dhatu. Darsh Dhatu.
Not darsh dhatu. Drish dhatu becomes darshi.
Okay.
Dhatu is drish dhatu.
Okay.
Right?
Hmm.
So darshi, causative form is darshi. So darshayati is there. Okay. So lang lakara will be adarshayat. Simple lang lakara. Pradarshayat, there is no form. Pra upasarga is there. Okay. Darshayat, there is no darshayat. Adarshayat. Therefore, always it will be pradarshayat. If pra upasarga is there, pra plus adarshayat, pradarshayat. Note that. Okay.
Okay.
Not pradarshayat, pradarshayat.
Okay.
Now karmani will, now it is karmani will be
Balena Chitram Pradarshayata.
pradarshayata.
Yeah, Pradarshayata.
Not darshayata, he will go away. Darshi is a dhatu. Darshyata. Pradarshyata. Okay. Okay, again I'm asking, is the voice is clear, right? Is it breaking in between?
Yeah.
Sometimes it's sometimes
Sorry, Sharanji, can you explain how it becomes Adarshayat? Pradarsh.
Okay, let me type.
Sorry.
No problem. This, no, you please let me know if my voice breaks. I don't know.
In between it goes, we don't hear you. Breaks means.
This class it happens. I don't know why it is. Okay, I'm typing. I'm going to type. Not yet. I'll type. Dhatu is drish dhatu. Dhatu is drish dhatu. Whose nijanta will be drish plus mich.
Drishi.
It will be drishi. Please think and answer.
Darsh.
Darshi. Upada is dr. What will happen? Upada.
Angakari
Upada.
Vilapan.
Hmm.
Guna Vilapan.
Darshi is a dhatu, new dhatu, right? But inside the darshi is a dhatu, new dhatu. Now darshi, that very let kartari, darshi plus shap plus they will become
Darshyati.
Darshati.
no,
Darshati.
it is not darshayati, okay? Darshayati. Don't
Ah.
darshi will become darshe, guna will happen, right?
Yeah.
Shap, sarvadhatu karpit plus guna.
Three plus
So darshi plus a plus tit. What do you get?
Darshayati.
Darshyati.
Darshayati.
Darshayati.
Yadi sandhi. Now, in lang lakara, what happens? With at agama, will be darshi plus shap plus ta. Darshi will become
Darshayat.
Adarshayat.
Adarshayat.
yeah, in lang lakara it will be adarshayat. Right? Now, with pra upasarga, it will be
Pradarsh.
Darshayat.
Pradarshayat.
plus adarshayat will become pradarshayat. Right?
Yes, sir.
Now, karmani will be pra plus
Darshyati. Darshita.
what will become darshi plus shap plus ta will become
Darshyat.
darshyata. Pra plus a atagama will become
Pradarsh.
pradarsyata is a form. Understand?
Yes, Ji.
Smriti ji.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Ji. Thank you. Yeah, yeah.
Pradarsyata. Same way you can do for other dhatus. So, alena chitram pradarsyata.
Okay. कृषिकः क्षेत्रं प्रकर्षति. कृषिकः फर्स्ट कर्तरी भूतकालं. कृषिकः क्षेत्रं प्राकर्षत्. कर्मणि कृषिकेन क्षेत्रं प्राकर्ष्यत.
Yes.
भक्तः सेकेंड भक्तः देवं प्रणमति. भूते कर्तरी भवतः देवं pranamya pranamat
देवं
pranamat pranamat karmani bhavan devah
Why Bhavan? Where you get Bhavan?
tritiya this karmani means tritiya vibhakti. Oh yeah, bhaktah, I'm sorry. Bhaktena devah pranamyata. Pranamyata. Yeah, pranamyata. I'm sorry. Nripah rajyam pradadati. Nripah rajyam pradadat. Dadat. Okay. Oh, dadat. So nripena rajyah or rajyam? That is
Rajyam. It is Rajyam.
Rajyam. Okay. Rajyam pradiyata.
Yes, Pradiyata.
Then chalakah yanam sanchalayati. Chalakah yanam samachalayat. Then
Okay. Continue. Yes, right.
Chalakena yanam samachalyata.
Yeah, okay.
Nayakah kalanayakam parakaroti. Parakaroti means defeat.
Parajayate.
Okay. Nayakah kalanayakam parakarot.
Yes.
Then nayakena kalanayakah parakriyate.
Parakriyata.
Kriyata. Yeah, parakriyata.
Now next person, Ramaji.
कृषकः कृष्णफलकं सम्मार्जयति. So कृष्णकः शिक्षकः कृष्णफलकं समार्जयत्.
Some plus amarjayat. Okay.
Some plus amarjayat. So samarjayat.
Samamarjayat it will be.
Some plus amarjayat.
Right.
Samamarjayat. Oh yeah, samamarjayat.
Some plus becomes sama. Marjayat. Samamarjayat. Okay.
Yeah.
Now karmani.
Karmani will be shikshakena krishna palakam some plus marjyata. So samamarjyata.
Yes, good.
Vayakaranah swamatam upastapayati. Vayakaranah swamatam upastapayat. So upastapayat.
Yes.
Then Vayakaranena swamatam upastapyat.
Yes.
Then Mata Deepam Prajwalayati. Mata Deepam Prajwalayat.
Yes.
Yeah. Then Matra Deepaha Prajwalyata. Then Ramaha Ravanam Samharati. Ramaha Ravanam Samaharat. Then Ramena Ravanaha Samahriyata. Then Rameshaha Daridram Upakaroti. Rameshaha Daridram Upakarot. Then Rameshena Daridram Upakriyata.
Daridraha. Rameshena Daridraha Upakriyata.
दरिद्रः पुल्लिङ्ग ओके उपाक्रियत
Bhute tha pratyaya. Okay. I think we have come to this tha pratyaya, which will be the next topic, past participle. So you can note this page number, please, one of you. We will start from this later, 477 in this book. My PDF page number is 129. Okay. So now, Karmani we have done. Karmani blood, Karmani lung. Do you have any doubts in this? Yes or no?
No,
No,
Shani.
Ji.
No, Shanji.
Is it clear, Karmani?
Yeah, it's clear.
Yes.
Yes,
So from next class, we will do past participle. Participles will be easy. Compared to the lung, participles will be very easy. Easy means easy for speaking, easy for understanding. Participle tha tavatu pratyaya. That is what we are going to see in the next class. So up to this, that is, remember that the connection. We started with Shatru Shanaj, then Shanaj Karmani topic came. That's why we come to Karmani. Shanaj is present participle. Then we saw Karmani letter. Then in connection with the Karmani lung we saw. Now we are going to see past participle. Past participle tag tavatu. Further we should know Karmani. That is why Karmani we saw. So when we see past participle, because in past participle we have past passive participle, past active participle. Two pratyas are there. Active participle is this active voice. Passive voice. So both be seen. You are going to see that in the next class. Further, you should know the basic rules. The pratyas knowledge of the pratyas are important. Sarvadhatukam, Adhadhatukam, the kit and prit, Angakarya will happen or not. All those things you should know. And Itagama will come. Those things should be available with you. So with that, we can see the topic. The next topic, participle. That we will see. It's a new topic. We'll see from the next class. Okay, so we can stop here. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. I think the problem in my audio comes when I speak with gap. If I don't, in other class it doesn't come. Did you have the problem in Mundaka Upanishad class, Ramaji?
No, that is one. If you talk continuously, then it doesn't come.
Then
There
it doesn't come. So in Sanskritam class you talk, I listen. Therefore the problem comes. But I have to manage with this laptop. I don't have any choice now. So if you can make out, it is good. But if you don't understand, you please let me know. I will repeat what I said.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ
Dhanyawad, Shanji.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಜಿ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ. You said something, Nagaratam. ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ